Element-wise test of number py array is numeric. I have an array as following. I want to test if each element in the array can be converted into numerical value. That is, a function is underscore numeric x will return a true/false array as following. How to do this?
Depend on the size of array and the type of the returned values. These functions have different speed. If list is okay, uses underscore numeric underscore 1. If you want a numpy array, and size of a is small, uses underscore numeric underscore 2. Else, uses underscore numeric underscore 3.